Alright, I've taken all this off. Alright, and this is what I'm left with. Lots of wires that have no idea where they go to. Cruise control system will come off. Back tires over there, it's flat. Valve stem broke, so I'm going to have a valve stem put in it. That's why it's all apart. But the gas tank's got a... Guy said it had a hole in it. And I'm cleaning the shit out and with non-flammable liquids. So I'm not worried about it. If I find a hole in it, I'm going to weld it up. JB weld it, whatever. And get it back sealed again and put it back together. And hell, I may never put it all the way back together. I kind of like this. All right. There it is. It's badass looking though.